Recently, I was diagnosed with prostate cancer. And over the past 6 months or so, I've had to undergo MRIs. I even had to undergo a biopsy to reach this conclusion, but I did, and unfortunately, it's true. I've been debating whether or not I was even going to make this video, but at the end of the day, I decided to. And really, it's based on a couple of reasons. One, there's the possibility that in the near future, I might miss a couple new uploads of videos. And it was important to me to communicate with you guys why that might happen if it does. Two, I think this channel, to me anyway, it's more about how to become a better photographer, how to be a better photo editor. This channel is more of a vehicle, in my eyes, for bringing people together, you and me, that have something in common, right? We share a common interest. And so I see this YouTube channel as more than just posting a couple weekly videos. I see it as something that brings us together to share this interest that we talk about every week. And it's just a way to really form better connections with each other. I was really hesitant to make this video because in no way, shape, or form am I in search of any kind of sympathy or empathy. But I always say to you guys, and I want to hold true to this, I believe in transparency. And I just want to be honest and transparent as possible. So this is why I'm sharing my situation with you guys today. Receiving the news that you have cancer is never a real fun experience, especially considering that I lost my father to this exact disease 15 years ago. But unlike my father, I fortunately have caught my prostate cancer early. And of course, we all know how important it is in these types of situations for early detection. It completely changes the scope of your situation. In the beginning of October, I will be undergoing a surgery to have my prostate removed. And of course, going through the surgery and going through the recovery, well, there's no doubt about it, that is gonna suck. There's just no other way to say it. But when you look at the big picture, it's certainly way better than the alternative. But there is good news. My prognosis is great. My doctor is extremely confident that having my prostate removed is going to resolve my issue. I'm extremely lucky to have an amazing wife, family, and friends who are here for me, giving me incredible support. Behind the scenes, I have been working hard to create my brand new DxO Photolab 9 Masterclass. And I have also been working hard at creating as many YouTube videos as possible, with my goal being to never miss an upload as I go through this surgery and recovery. Wildlife photography and creating videos here on YouTube is something that brings me a lot of joy. And I truly feel blessed that I get to be able to share this with you. I know this is a very different video today, but as I stated at the very beginning of this video, just in case I miss some uploads of new videos, it was important to me that you guys know why. I just want to say thank you and express my appreciation for you guys showing up and listening. I'm looking forward to getting through this surgery and being able to put more attention into this channel and my videos and all of the topics that we discuss. I'm looking forward to the future, and I'm excited to see what it holds, and I'll see you guys shortly.